Tonight in this MyEcon 2025 Global Business presentation, we're going to do a short review to answer a burning question out there. I see lots of people wondering about, asking about, looking for answers to what is income shifting. So we're going to take a look at what income shifting is. Okay, here we are back inside the MyEcon website with the membership carousel here. With the carousel of products, you can see again my membership level, just as a reminder to you, is EBM, which is the top level inside the United States, which means I have access to all of the products. That is the level that is just under $100. But keep in mind that you can also get started for as low as $25 inside the United States. Now, the product that we're going to talk about tonight particularly applies to the United States because this is talking about taxes as it refers to the Internal Revenue Service and taxes within the United States of America. So if we go to our little carousel of products right here, the very first product says correct form W-4. So that's what we're going to be talking about on this video, is correcting form W-4. Now, put very simply, income shifting. That's a very catchy way of saying correcting your W-4, of adjusting your tax withholding. So I like income shifting a lot better. So technically speaking, income shifting is correcting your form W-4 that you have filed with the government. So what you're doing is you're shifting more of the money that you make away from the government and taxes and back towards your pocket in the money that you get to keep in your paycheck each week. And you do that by making corrections to Form W-4. So if we click on this little section right here, it's going to bring up the program inside of MyEcon, inside of the membership, called Correct Your W-4. And you can see there's a few little videos here for you to go to. The main one that shows you what you're going to be doing is just under 21 minutes long. This is a little overview video that kind of explains the process to you. So what you will be doing with income shifting is you will be learning how to adjust your taxes so that you can keep more of your money from your paycheck in your pocket each payday. What happens inside the United States is a lot of people have been trained to think that we need to get this big tax refund every spring, and we need to file our taxes and get thousands of dollars that we can then go out and buy a vacation or a new car, or down payment on a new car, or something like that. That's what we've been conditioned to do. We've learned that through watching our parents, watching our family members and our friends for years. And that is old style, antiquated, outdated thinking. So what the Correct W-4 software inside of MyEcon, inside of your digital membership, explains to you is how you can keep more of your money in your paycheck each pay period. Instead of getting a big tax return at the end of the year, now you're going to be keeping more of that in your paychecks. So the idea is that you will end up paying exactly what you owe to the federal government for taxes, and you won't really get a refund. But that's good because you're keeping more of that money in your paychecks throughout the year. So you're giving yourself a pay increase. So you're shifting the income away from the government and them hanging on to it for you for 12 months back to your own paycheck each 2 weeks or each week or whatever it is, whatever your pay period is. It's going to be much more beneficial to you to have that money to help pay bills with, to help get groceries with, to help pay for a tank of gas with, several tanks of gas with in many cases. And this process is going to be something that you want to do with your life partner. So if you are married, your husband or wife, your spouse, and you're going to need some basic information. That's all explained to you here inside of this software, inside of MyEcon. But you will figure out what is the best withholding amount for you and your spouse if you have a spouse, so that you can keep more of that money in your paychecks and you can use it to make your life better throughout the year. The idea is, again, why would you want to get a big old tax refund at the beginning of the year when you could be taking that money now and using it to help improve your life, to get groceries with, to get gas with, to pay the utility bill, to make things much better in your life now rather than wait 12 months and say, okay, cool, I've got several $1,000s here. Gee, I really could have used that throughout the year to help pay my living expenses, right? So in 2025, the smart thing to do is income shifting. And that's why this is the buzzword right now that's on everybody's lips, income shifting. So that's what income shifting is. And I'd love to help you learn more about that and how you can get started with that. You'll simply need to have a MyEcon digital membership to get started, which again, as I mentioned, you can get started with for as little as $25. And that can help you learn how to take advantage, how this particular program applies to you. It will be individualized to you and your family. Income shifting is learning how to keep more of your money and stop giving it to the federal government. Now, there will be other videos upcoming about that. We're going to have a whole new series coming up about that really soon. So a little sneak peek, a little teaser for you guys. There's going to be many more videos upcoming about that. So if you found value in this video, be sure that you hit that like button and hit the subscribe button too, and the little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I post new content on my page here about MyEcon, about income shifting, about an instant pay increase, another video we're going to be having coming up really soon, about my crazy life, any of the things, my cancer journey. I would love for you to be subscribed so that you can be notified when I post new content of any kind on my page. So I hope you got value from this video. I hope you're excited about income shifting like I am. I'd love to share more with you. Link in the description down below if you would like to sign up for your MyEcon membership or send me a message. Somewhere around this video is my actual phone number for you to text. Text me. I'd love to get you some more information so that you can make a difference in your life by saving some money in your paycheck. And we'll see you on the next video.